So I'm on a real roll here tonight. This is my third video for the evening. I'm going to do a video on um, probability with replacement and probability without replacement. And I like to use the 52 card deck. And if you're not familiar with the 52 card deck, um, it's going to be a little bit tough to understand this, but that's okay. I'll explain. So here I'm going to do probability with replacement and probability without replacement. So I'll do the same question. And so, good thing I'm not doing a video on drawing straight lines. So if I want to find the probability of getting a 2 and then another 2, all right? Well, there's 4 2s in a deck. So if I'm doing it with replacement, I'm going to draw a card out, and I have a 4 out of 52 chance of getting, because there's 4 2s in the deck, I have a 4 out of 52 chance of getting a 2. I put the card back in. I draw another card. It could be the same card, as a matter of fact. So therefore, the probability of getting it again is 4 out of 52. Now, I know that this is really 1 out of 13 times 1 out of 13, which works out well for me because I know that 13 squared is 1 out of 160, or 169. Well, as I pull out a 2, now I'm going to do the same question, probability of getting 2 2s. I'm going to do the same question, and I have a 4 out of 52 chance of getting the 2, but I don't put the card back. That's what without replacement means. So now there's only 3 cards left in the deck, but there's no longer 52 cards. There's only 51. Well, this one's going to be a little bit more difficult. I know that 4 goes into 52 13 times, so that's really 1 out of 13. And I know that 3 goes into 51 17 times, so that's 1 out of 17. I could do the math in my head, but I'm not going to. I'm going to go over here and say, oh, there we go, 13 times 17. No, it should be 221. Yes, good. Equals 1 out of 221. Out of here, just in case you're wondering how I got 221, what I did was I said 10 plus 3 equals 13, and then I multiplied it by 17. I said that's 170, and I know that that's 51, and then I added 170 and 51 in my head and got 221, but you don't have to worry about that. All right, we're going to do another quick example. Oh, that looks awful. I don't really like the reds here. Cool. All right, that's kind of a nice color. All right, let's say I want the probability of a 3 and then a king. All right, well, the probability of getting a 3 is 4 out of 52, and the probability of getting king is 4 out of 52. So our answer is going to be the same as before. However, here it's a little bit different because the probability of getting a 3 is 4 out of 52, but the probability of getting king is 4 out of 51. And that really leaves us with 1 out of 13 times 1 out of 51. Nope, that's not true. 4 out of 51. And that's going to leave us with 4. Now, 5 times 3 is 65, so 650. So it should be 663. Let's just double check. 13 times 51. 60, great. 663. And once again, here I did 13 times 50, 13 times 1, and I got 650 plus 13, which is 663, in case you're wondering how I did that. Probably with and without replacement, not so bad. Sometimes they talk about like a bag of marbles, and they'll say they have, just do one quick example. They'll say they have 3 green, 2 red, 1 white. Let's say what's the probability of getting 2 green? And then with replacement, it'll be 3 out of 6 times 3 out of 6, which is 1/2 and 1/2, which is a quarter. And then here it'd be 3 out of 6 times 2 out of 5, because you took out 1 green, which means I no longer have 3 greens, I only have 2. And I had 6 marbles, now I'm down to 5. And that goes, let's say that's 1/2, and that will cancel with that. So it becomes 1/5. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helps. Yeah, good luck.